Part 2. Reading and listening comprehension with grammar integration. Complete the text with the correct form of the verbs in brackets, past simple, present perfect, or present perfect continuous. There are 19 blanks to fill in. Eleanor, who is 15, has not attended a traditional school for the past 3 years. Instead, she has been studying at home due to challenges she faced at school. Eleanor left her school after experiencing difficulty concentrating in a noisy classroom. She lost her confidence and felt anxious about her academic performance. Eventually, her parents realized the issue and decided to take action. Her father quit his part-time job to help with her education. Over the last few years, Eleanor has been following the national curriculum, covering similar material to her peers. At first, her parents did not know how to teach effectively, but they received guidance from educators. Eleanor's academic progress has improved considerably, and her confidence has grown. For instance, she has been taking private French lessons for 6 months, which she enjoys. Recently, she has started preparing for her GCSE exams. In addition to studying, Eleanor has joined a local debate club and has participated in online competitions. She has made several new friends through these activities. Since I began homeschooling, I have become more independent, she says. I have been exploring subjects I genuinely enjoy, like creative writing and digital art, for the past year. Eleanor's parents believe that they have made the right choice for her education. Looking to improve your English skills with engaging, high-quality worksheets? Visit Concord Homework Co. UK to download this worksheet and explore a wide range of top-notch English resources designed to help you learn effectively. Don't stop there. Follow me on TikTok, X, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more free resources, tips, and fun ways to boost your English skills. Let's make learning English exciting and enjoyable together. Click, download, follow, and share.